Hello and welcome to the Code Learners. I'm Shadeep with you. I'm a web designer and a developer. This is gonna be first video on this channel. As you all can see, this channel name is Code Learners, so this channel is for learning code purpose only. So let's get started our journey. Today in this video we will cover these topics actually. Number one, a complete roadmap to be a web developer. Describe all the maps, salary packages in India, and which qualifications do you need. So if you want to be a web developer or designer, so here this video is only for you. So let's get started. Number one, a complete roadmap to be a web developer. So first of all, web developer are basically two types. There are front-end web developer and back-end web developer. So what is front-end? To be a front-end web developer, you have to learn these things that I have listed below. Number one is HTML, number two CSS, number three is basic of JavaScript, number four is Bootstrap, which is a framework. Now, which is the second one? What is the second one? Back-end web developer. What is that? Backend web developer. Become a backend web developer, you have to learn these things. Number one is PHP, number two Ruby, 3 Python, 4 Node.js. In this 4 you can learn any one of this. Number 2 is MySQL, number 3 full JavaScript, number 4 is jQuery, number 5 is WordPress or Laravel. I personally recommended WordPress to learn. Number 6 GitHub, number 7 UI and UX design, number 8 is basic SEO and Photoshop. Now we are only talking about front-end section because from the next video we will gonna start our journey as a front-end web developer. So let's talk about it. So let's talk about first three things. Number one, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. What is HTML? HTML actually is a markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So now what is a markup? What is markup? Let's talk about it. Markup is like a skeleton of a web page, like a human body. What? Human body? Yeah, like a human body. Markup is like a skeleton of a web page, like a human body. HTML documents are described by the HTML tags, and here it is the HTML page structure. Here, doc type HTML. This means this is a HTML document. This is a HTML heading tag. This is the HTML closing tag. This is a head tag opening and head closing tag. Here it is a body tag opening, body closing tag. HTML files can be saved as a .html and .htm extension. And the number 2, what is CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheet. CSS is used to describe how the HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen. CSS have a special features. This saves a lot of time cause it has controlled multiple web pages at the same time by creating an external style sheet. CSS files can be saved as .css extension. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is the most popular language in the world right now. JavaScript can be changed HTML document and the CSS document and many more things can do. Java and JavaScript are completely different from each other. Okay, JavaScript was built in 1995 and became ECMAScript standard in 1997. ECMAScript 6 was released in June 2015 and it is the latest official version. So that's it. So now let's talk about salary packages in India. According to Google, on average web developers earn 2.75 to 3.75 lakh per annum in India, and the average salary for the web developer is $71,897 per year in United States, as you can see. Now let's talk about the next topic. Which qualifications do you need? This career generally requires a bachelor's degree that is related to computer science, but exceptions may be made for those which is required skills and professional experience. These professionals also must possess an understanding of programming languages, database management system, and web design. But if you are not from bachelor's degree with the computer science stream, doesn't matter. Code Learner, our YouTube channel, believe on the skills that you have, that you wants to achieve, does not matter from which background you are. So be happy. So please subscribe and click on the bell icon and stay with us. And thank you for watching.